Today you're in for a treat because I have a move-in ready 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Osage Beach. It comes turnkey, that includes a 12 by 34 foot bow slip, and it has an incredible view of the Osage 24-mile marker. Today we're at Bay Point Village, Unit 734. Let's go take a look. The greatest thing about this complex is its location. You're right next to all of Lake of the Ozarks' great amenities, and in fact, this complex has a lot of great amenities itself. With multiple pools and a large pool deck with an amazing view, you've got a playground, you've got a clubhouse, and you've got boat trailer parking. My name is Ethan Lee with the RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks Jason Whittle All-Pro team. For more information, give us a call at 800-836-2005 or check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.